Hello YouTube. YouTube, what is the function of OBS? Uses of OBS. What is the function and the functionality of OBS Studio? So when you ask Google what is the function of OBS and uses of OBS, it gives you the complete guide. Everyone who is new to this studio, how to use this one, just go on Google and just type here the prompt of what is the function of OBS. It gives you the uses of OBS, which is very generalized question. So AI feature of Google tells you the OBS Studio is free, open source software, live streaming and video recording, allow users to capture and mix audio and the video sources, and along that, and stream to platform like YouTube and Twitch or record to their computers. Here is a listing of the functions given in below. Function of OBS Studio: live streaming. If you're playing the game and you are going to give a live situation, you will be go on OBS Studio. It is Open Broadcast Software. OBS stands for Open Broadcast Studio. So broadcasting of this studio enables users to broadcast live content to various platforms like by capturing and mixing audio and video sources and then streaming them to platforms like YouTube, Twitch, Facebook Live and others. So when you record your video, it allows users to record the screen, webcams, audio and save recordings to the computer. And then screen composition. How OBS Studio allows users to create screen with multiple sources, and in these sources you have such as window capture, image, text, browser, Windows, webcam and capture cards. So this screen composition, I will ask Google how it will look like screen capture in OBS Studio. You will go into the picture and you will see how it works. Actually, in the function of OBS, you will see here that there's this one. This is the resources. Okay, you will add the screens in this box here. You will add more sources. What your resources will be? I think you have picture to explain in front of people. You have video. You will every resources you want to give information about. You will put in this resources box and you will explain to their users. So in screen composition, okay, after screen composition you will have audio video mixing. It allows users to mix audio and video levels from different sources, creating a professional looking output. As you see in this picture here, you will see the audio mixture. Okay, it's very simple to use. OBS Studio, very simple. So audio video mixing. After this one, the real-time capture and coding. OBS Studio provides real-time capture, screen composition, recording, and coding, broadcasting via various protocols like RTMP, HLS, SRT, RIST, and WebRTC. So for now, you will have normal information of OBS. You will go into the detail and search about it. So virtual cameras. OBS Studio also allows users to use their computer as a virtual camera in the video conferencing application like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. So along that, You have also cross-platform compatibility. OBS Studio is platform which is available for Windows, Macs, and also Linux. In the end of this information, you will have the uses. You will see when you have games to be go on live, you will go on play in Twitch, on YouTube. If you are a content creator, you will record your tutorials, screencast, and other video content. Education. If you are your educator, you will record your lecture, create online courses. This is very helpful and powerful tool. OBS, I think open broadcast software is very powerful, very easy to use. If you are new to YouTube and you are going to create your content, you will go definitely on OBS Studio. After video conferencing, use OBS as a virtual camera in video conferencing application. So I think it has very great concerns. I think so. 12 features of OBS, I think it is very great, and basic function in the OBS: screen capture, video recording, video broadcasting, neat and clean interface. I think it is very easy to use. Freedom to set hotkeys, ability to manage quality and branding and personalization option, intuitive audio mixer, powerful configuration options. I think you will explore this option information later when you will be no longer a new to this powerful tool. Unlimited number of scenes, high level view of your production, scope for collaboration. Being an open source program, OBS Studio collaborates with other applications like plugin creatively allowing you to enhance its functionality and performances. So I think OBS will be a great source for you to create a content and upload on YouTube. Hope to see you in the next video. Greatness.